if you forget the password to your Samsung phone, let me show you here that you're seeing that they're displaying password incorrect. Even if you try to turn off the phone by pressing the power button, still let me first, when you tap the power button to turn off, still they're asking for the password. So how are we gonna go about this? Get to tap and hold the three buttons on your phone: volume up, volume down, and the power button at once, like this. Once you're done, hold the volume up and the power button. So once the Samsung logo appears, hold the volume up still. So you're gonna wait. Until the recovery menu gets to appear. We're gonna wait until the recovery menu gets to appear. So let's wait, and here's it. So remember, we have forgotten the password to the phone, so we're gonna go all the way down using the volume up and volume down. So volume down, you go down the menu and get to in order to choose an option over here, you press the power button and then volume down. We're gonna factory reset, get to do it. So this is gonna take a while, so hold on, and it's done. So even go ahead to wipe the cache. So volume down to go down the menu and get to choose yes. So we're done, everything is set. So the next thing to do is to choose the upper option of reboot system now.